Good morning, everyone. My name is Jordan Salgante, and I'm here to report about Game Framework, Game Essential Framework, libraries rather, and game project setup. In a very dynamic and competitive world of game development, um, it is very important to have a deep understanding on game framework, game essential libraries, and efficient project setups. Dahil ito ang naging backbone, no? Ito yung mga topics na kailangan nating alamin as a student of BSCMC because when we graduate, ito yung mga bagay na kailanganin natin. So it is very important for us to have a deep understanding in the said topics. So, game framework. What is a game framework? A game framework serves as a backbone of game development, offering a structured set of tools, libraries, and functionalities to streamline creation process. So, ang game framework, sabi dito, katulad ng name niya is framework. So, this is the frame of your game. Nandun lahat yon, yung mga tools, yung mga libraries, functionalities. So, nakalagay lahat siya doon. So, katulad ng sabi, it is the backbone of game development. So let's dive deeper in game framework, no? We have graphics rendering. One of the cornerstones of game development is rendering captivating visuals. Isang magandang game framework ay nagpro-provide ng efficient rendering capabilities ng 2D and 3D graphics. It encompasses features such as shaders, lighting effects, post-process effects, and support for visual graphics like OpenGL, Vulkan, DirectX, or Metal. We also have input handling. Interactivity is fundamental to gaming, and is a good framework simplifies the process of handling user input from diverse sources such as keyboards, mice, gamepads, touchscreens, motion controllers. It offers intuitive APIs for implementing player controls, gestures, and interaction seamlessly. We also have physics simulation. Realistic physics simulation are essential for creating immersive gaming experiences, especially in genres like action, simulation, and puzzle games. Game framework often integrate physics engines like Box 2D, Physics X, Bullet Physics, enabling developers to simulate object behaviors, collision, rigid body dynamics, and complex interaction effortlessly. So it is very important no physics simulation. Matagal na rin tinuro sa amin to that in game development, no, if you're going to make a game to make it realistic, 3D or 2D man yan, kailangan mo ng physics dito. So, again, that is the application of mathematics pa rin, no? Sa pag-develop ng isang game, is you need to know the right physics, the right formulas for each movements, for each galaw, yun nga, movements ng characters mo, no? Yung sa pagtalon, pagtakbo, yung paggalaw ng kanilang mga kamay, you have to take in the gravity, you have to take in the movements, the realistic movements ng isang tao para may lagay mo siya sa game to make it more realistic, to make it more dynamic and more robust. Audio management. Sound effects, music, and voiceover plays a crucial role in enhancing the atmosphere and immersion of games. A comprehensive game framework provides tools and APIs for managing audio assets, spatial audio, dynamic mixing, and implementing audio cues in response to gameplay events. So, again, there is very important audio management. Napaka-boring ng isang game kapag walang tamang audio, okay? So, for example, tumatakbo yung character mo pero wala kang naririnig na pagtakbo niya. He is running on the grass, on the pebble, no? Sa cement. Pero wala kang naririnig na footsteps. Imagine yung isang horror game na merong scene na gugulatin ka pero walang walang music na nagpapatense nung background nung scene. So walang impact, walang hindi dynamic yung game. So it is very important, no, na meron tayong audio management. Next, also we have networking. Multiplayer functionality is increasingly popular in modern games, necessitating robust network capabilities. Game framework typically offer networking libraries and APIs for implementing client-server architects, peer-to-peer communication, synchronization of game states, and handling latency and packet loss effectively. So, if you are going to make a game that is online siya, magiging multiplayer siya, makakapaglaro yung another person in the other side of the world, makakapaglaro siya sa isang game, nakasama ka. So, it is very important no na meron tayong game framework doon dahil it offers network libraries no yung sa mga APIs and also peer-to-peer communication, synchronization of the game states, also packet loss effect, nag-handle din siya ng latency and packet loss. So it is very important din na meron tayo doon. Next is game essential libraries. In addition to the core functionalities provided by game frameworks, developers often leverage third-party libraries to augment their game's capabilities, expedite development. Let's explore no sa essential libraries na ginagamit usually sa pag-develop ng isang game. We have asset management. Libraries like ASIMPs, open asset import libraries, facilitate the loading and management of 3D models files in various formats, easing the integration of external assets into games. They offer functionalities for importing meshes, textures, animations, and skeletal structures, and handling complex asset pipelines efficiently. So yun sa mga binanggit ko, katulad ng meshes, texture, animations, yung skeletal structure ng isang kunwari animal or tao, nandoon yon sa mga libraries na yon. Physics engine, no? Ina-add din tong mga libraries na to minsan, physics engine. Not actually minsan. Usually talaga ina-add to dahil very important katulad ng sabi ko na meron tayong proper physics sa isang game to make it realistic and to make it more robust. While many game frameworks include built-in physics engines, developers may opt for standalone physics libraries like Box2D or Bullet Physics for specific requirements or custom simulations. These libraries offer advanced features for simulating rigid body dynamics, soft body physics, vehicle dynamics, and fluid dynamics, and among others. So, dun sa mga binanggit ko, no, yung sa paggalaw ng katawan, body dynamics, yung vehicle movements, vehicle dynamics. So, dito ino-offer yun, yung sa physics engines na to. No, pwede mo siyang i-add as a library sa isang game engine. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in creating challenging opponents, NPCs, and intelligent behaviors in games. Libraries such as OpenAI Gym, TensorFlow, or PyTorch provide tools and algorithms for implementing AI agents, machine learning models, pathfinding algorithms, decision-making systems, and behavior trees, enhancing the depth and complexity of the game experiences. So, artificial intelligence, yung mga NPCs na nakikita nyo sa isang game, na pag-interact kayo with them, it adds dynamic to the game, no? Merong ibang experience na ino-offer yun. Pwede mong kalabanan yung NPC, pwedeng tumulong sa'yo, pwede mong pagbentahan, pwede kang bumili ng mga gamit dun sa mismong in-game materials, gamit yung NPC. So, it adds a lot to the game. Graphics and effects. While game frameworks offer built-in rendering capabilities, developers may utilize low graphics like libraries like OpenGL, DirectX, or Vulkan for implementing custom rendering pipelines, advanced visual effects, and GPU accelerated computations. These libraries provide fine-grained control over graphics hardware, enabling developers to achieve stunning visual fidelity and optimized performance. So, yung graphics and effects, of course, that is very important sa isang game, no? To make it more visually appealing, to make it stunning, para mas ma-optimize yung performance ng game, mas smooth na mag-run yung isang game. And we also have audio processing. For sophisticated audio processing and synthesis, libraries like FMOD and WYs offer powerful tools for creating dynamic soundscapes, interactive music, spatial audio, and realistic sound effects in games. They provide features for real-time mixing, DSP or digital signing processing, adaptive audio, and integrating audio with gameplay mechanics seamlessly. So again, like I've told you kanina, no, audio is very important. The music, the audio, yung galaw ng isang character, kailangan may audio yon. Yung pagsuntok, yung impact ng suntok, kailangan may audio yun to make it more dynamic. And yung mga binanggit ko na libraries like FMOD, WYs, they offer powerful tools for creating dynamic soundscape, interactive music, spatial audio, and realistic sound effects sa mga games. Next is we have game project setup. So what is a game project setup? A well-optimized project setup is crucial for maintaining code quality, fostering collaboration among team members, ensuring scalability, and streamlining development process. So, examine natin yung mga key aspects ng isang effective project setup. Directory structure. Establishing a clear and organized directory structure is essential for managing project assets, source codes, configuration files, documentation, and build artifacts efficiently. Adopting a consistent naming convention and folder hierarchy improves the project navigation, reduces clutters, and enhances maintainability. We also have version control. Utilizing version control system like JIT, Mercurial, or Subversion enables collaborative development, facilitates code review processes, and provides a safety net for managing changes to the project code base. Leveraging features such as branching, tagging, merging, and issue tracking enhances productivity and ensures code integrity. We also have build automation, automating the build process with tools like CMake, Makefile, or Grendel ensures consistent build across different platforms and environments, reduces manual errors, and accelerates the compilation, linking, and packaging of game assets, and binary integrating continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines further streamlines the development ng isang workflow and improves the project stability. So, napakarami, no? So, in conclusion, game development is multifaceted, and collaborative endeavor that relies on a combination of robust framework, essential libraries, and efficient project setups. These components provide developers with the tools, resources, and infrastructures needed to bring their creative vision to life, captivate audiences, and push the boundaries of interactive entertainment. As the game development landscape continues to evolve, staying abreast in emerging technologies, best practices, and community-driven innovation is essential for success in the vibrant dynamic of the game development industry. So that is all. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you very much.